Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to enable camera leveler on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the straighten option. Now it is off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on it. Now it is highlighted, so it means that the straighten, the leveler has been successfully applied to our camera. So we can go back, and as you can see here, we've got perfectly straight line, and this yellow section will show you the rotation of the device. So let me show you. Let's take the device and pay attention to this yellow line. It changes according to the rotation of the device. So thanks to this line, you can decide what you have to do in order to take perfectly straight photos. If you want to turn it off because you do not need it, just tap on this three bars icon and tap on the straighten option. Now it is not highlighted, and as you can see, this line simply disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to enable leveler in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.